Hello everyone, this is Thomas from the Chattanooga Public Library, and this is going to be the first video of a short series that I'm doing for starting a garden. In this video, we're going to be going over prepping your container or garden box for indoor or outdoor use. So you can use just about any container that can hold dirt to start a garden. I use scrap wood here. This is the box that I made, but since it will be indoors, I do have to waterproof it. I've also seen people use gardening pots, 5-gallon buckets, old plastic storage bins to make their garden boxes. So you can use just about anything. And if it's outside, you don't even have to worry about if it's waterproof or not. Since this is just a wood container and it's going to be indoors most of the time, I line the box with plastic sheeting. This plastic is also recycled material. It was originally used for protecting our shelves in the library during construction, but you could also use an old shower curtain or tarp. I like repurposing items whenever possible. It's better for the environment. You just need to make sure that the plastic fits well and trim down the edges. After you have your container that you want to use, it's time to fill it up. I always start with a base layer of rocks, just enough to cover the bottom. The rocks help with drainage and will also add nutrients to the soil over time. Then you just add your dirt. You can get potting soil from the store, but be careful if you use dirt from outside. You want to try to find dark, rich soil that has a lot of decomposing organic matter in it. You don't want to have soil that has a lot of red clay or any clay. That's going to be bad for your plants, or anything that has grass in it, because then you're going to be picking weeds out. You also don't want very sandy or rocky soil. Again, bad for your plants. A good way to tell if it's dirt that you're using from outside is good is look for worms. If you find a lot of worms, it's a good chance that the soil will be good for your plants. So make sure your planter or your container is in a good sunny location and you'll be ready to start planting. Next video is going to be starting seeds and a quick how to do that. So see you next time.